Hi guys.
Where are we gonna go, Papa?
T3 Plaza,
Yeah,
and we're gonna eat dinner there.
yeah.
Then what else? Then we're gonna pick up Reese at work. Then after that, going home. Stay up, stay awake until morning.
Yeah, that's it. Prince,
Yan, dalhin mo rin. Tubig yan. At ako ang maglalak ng... Insane covered. In the speed bumps, we jump.
do we have to wear seatbelt?
Fortunately.
Can they see me?
Yeah.
Ah.
Hi to the camera. Hello. I am Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin 2. Can I carry this? Oh.
What's up?
I don't know.
I bought it from Facebook Marketplace. I met up with this guy in like an alleyway in the city, and he gave it to me.
I swear, bro.
I swear to you. Guess how much all of our food was?
400.
No.
Really?
That's actually a good guess, but no. It was
Over under.
300.
Oh. Let's get the correct you guys
What did you get?
We got the Thai fried rice, you already know. And then got the
There's
special
two of
noodle.
those.
Yeah, and then we got a curry. I don't know what the name of it was yet. It was like
I don't
masam.
know. It was like wow,
Yeah.
yeah, something like that.
If I'm lucky, the restaurant's gonna hire me. Oh yeah.
The restaurant's gonna hire you?
Hire me right now. Pay me $15 an hour. I already know.
As a chef, as a cook.
Yeah. Apprentice.
Apprentice
Don't go.
cook.
Don't go.
We'll be back when we get our food.
The guy looks so done. He's been here for 8 hours now.
Yeah, he's probably getting $15 an hour.
Yeah. $10.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's coconut. Coconut, alright. What's up?
Is it yummy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's my first time here. So.
I'm just here to devour my food and go home. And watch Kung Fu Panda. You already know. What time are they arriving at Melbourne?
At 12
12?
midnight.
And then...
And then they're going to stay like 6 hours.
What?
But it's like technically like 4 hours only because their flight will take place on 6 a.m. So like,
Oh, good. Okay, watch all my videos.
so they like have to go to the check-in.
Got a mouthful of nuts.
Oh, you have all the mint in your cup.
Am I digging? I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat.
Bro, what is that? Is that the pad thai?
It's the something noodles. It's noodles.
Pad thai. Oh no.
That's pad thai.
Oh, that's pad thai.
But what the hell?
Boy, I'm so stupid.
That's good.
It's good. My God. Why would they put that there? Come on.
For beautifulness.
Can we pop this?
Oh my god. What is that? Did you order? That was you? What was Oh, the Hokkien.
Oh, I was gonna say show your food, but you already ate all of it.
Sorry. I'm hungry. Got the beef. Come on. Round 2. I was round 6.
Bro already knows his math.
Sorry. It's a peanut.
Oh my god,
It
you have
to
to
be like really, really, really hot. I bend my tongue.
Okay, go.
Oh.
Share. I've never heard of green curry.
Really?
Dito lasa to
It's
siya.
like the classic.
Matamis.
Curry?
Yeah, Thai green curry. Really good. Make some.
Who?
Us.
Tonight?
Yeah. Buy like a cheap taste. So you
I like your food.
Yeah. Everything was so nice. Everything's nice.
Everything's good? That's good. I'm too scared to touch food. I'm scared of her.
She's shy.
How many plates is that?
4.
Actually?
Yeah.
Have you been counting?
Yeah. Okay, this might be it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Not even 6?
I want to save it for later.
Yeah. Ta-da! Sure.
And y'all have to help me.
Okay, we're gonna dye Titaloy's hair.
And guacamole.
And do guacamole. And also make green curry. And also bake cinnabon.
Really?
No.
Oh, you're scary.
Should we? It'll take 4 hours.
Is it actually 4 hours?
It actually takes
not.
No, when you're a beginner, maybe if we have 4 people doing it, it will not take 4 hours.
It'll take 1 hour.
It'll take 1 hour.
maybe 2. Because you have to
You
chill
have
it
to-
for 1 hour.
Chill.
What?
You have to let it rise.
So, oh, watch Hamilton.
Watch Hamilton.
Prince, don't watch Hamilton.
Okay, I don't know.
You're gonna love it.
I really don't know about that. Yeah, we also have to finish watching Kung Fu Panda.
You started it without me?
No.
No?
Oh.
Just look at the trailer. It's so cool.
Where are you gonna watch it?
Reese is
Right way.
Oh god, why does my face look like that? I can't do
Oh.
Shut.
What?
Saibao right now.
this. Saibao.
Saibao.
Okay, fine.
Are we gonna add the times?
Sure.
No
Wait,
Or
way.
just like a
Can you
list?
just bowl it? Honestly. that is so. I
Oh,
don't like schedules.
Oh.
I hate men.
Bro, what?
Okay, then
What
let's
does that have
just
to do with the
a
schedule?
So you can't hear. Oh,
What?
okay.
He's probably listening to Astronauts in the Ocean.
What's that?
Astronaut in the ocean with the
Oh,
Just
he's
joking.
listening to 1 a.m.
1 a.m.
Pop
out
out
at 1 in the morning. Okay.
Watch a movie first.
What movie?
He wants to finish. He wants to watch Kung Fu Panda.
Watch Kung Fu Panda. It's on Netflix.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
God.
Oh my gosh.
So sassy. Oh, sassy man apocalypse.
God.
Be quiet now.
First, let me hop out the mother effing porch.
Oh, you pour it in there. It's just that? That's all? No, we'll buy a shampoo. Yeah, there.
Oh my god, I was like, do I have to take.
So it's not here. Yeah. So it doesn't die in the forehead. Ganun pala ang technique.
Why are you laughing so much?
Like,
Like she's
I'm
been
lining
lined
her
up.
up.
She's lined
Lining
up.
her up.
It won't.
Are you sure? It's from Thailand.
Hawakan mo, kami yung salamin ko. Ba't di ko
Oh,
makita ko?
sure.
Ah? Nagbablog ka.
Oh yeah, but I thought you were taking my job.
Hopefully this is enough dye.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nakaunti pala yun. Wala kayo gagala.
Okay. We failed all-nighter. Like, straight away. For whatever reason, I don't know. Papa is sleeping with us. He's sleeping right next to me.
Yeah, well, I was like, this is literally the baggage claim. If someone pressed down. No. Nobody pressed it. Oh, are you excited? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Laki na rin. Oh, Prince! How is your tattoo? See you again.
Hello.
Hi, Sam.
Hello.
Anak ni David, tsaka ni Fred.
Ah,
Tito Elmo.
hindi kayo nagtutras sa akin ng tubig.
Oh, bro, just covered up the wholesome moment.
May jet lag pa.
Hey.
Today in the unusually warm weather, but thankfully the rain has arrived.
And it was so loud too. It wasn't even quiet. It was just like started blasting.
Wait. Why are we hyping this up? It's just an alarm.
That was started playing in the morning and it's like, what the F? Oh, well, time was 6:45 or something.
My
I don't
bad,
know.
What did you say?
Oh my god.
What'd she say?
That's why we're here. For Prince's cabinet.
But they can open it.
Yeah, let's just walk around. I'm sleepy.
Well, if you
I don't even remember what I want.
well, then look for one.
Oh, I like that calming music. Your cabinet. Which one is it? What cabinet do you need? Why are you walking so fast?
Oh. That's alright.
I don't know. He's trying to find his cabinet.
Hey, don't worry.
He's really trying to
By
find
the
his
time they catch
cabinet.
up, I'll find it.
Down. Like they're nowhere.
That's fine. Let them. Don't do that.
Just take your time. Wow. So beautiful.
They go crazy with the prompts. They subsided.
Yeah. No. Wow. What's in Australia this week?
What year was this, bro? These are not real.
Doggo. I would watch this once again.
Of course.
What cabinet for? For your underwear?
For your aunties.
For your undies? Where's the light?
He's like speedrunning this.
I know. Oh, here, cabinets.
No, that won't fit in my thing. It's like,
Where is it gonna be?
I think it was 80 centimeters from the couch.
This is 69.
This is 69.
Swear to God. Wait, this is kind of graded. What do you
I
think
have
about it?
this.
Do you?
Yeah, well,
But
I
the
have
smaller
Bunnings
one. Oh.
version. Bunnings.
Say hello. We're on the search for a cabinet.
What's the cabinet for what?
For what? His
Kasi hindi siya nag-behave. Only
What?
Oh my.
So
Calm down.
There how do I zoom in?
on this
Oh, I'm not doing all that. This is what Prince is buying.
we literally all have phones in our pockets. We could just take a picture of that.
How big is his undies? Like that or like that? What do we need? What's going on? I want to know.
Room tour. Why? So many questions. It's just
There's one question right now.
These guys.
What is it? Wait, why does he need it? Why do you need that?
And also, I want to display some of my stuff. Lego.
Why are you explaining it?
Yeah, no, because you look so experienced.
Take your time. This day is about them. Oh, this is cute. Over there. We're near the bed.
Oh, perfect. My time to shine. Wow. I want a small bed. A single bed for a single woman. Why is she not laughing? No. No, that's what Reese wants. That's what Reese wants.
You want this?
We got cinnamon rolls from Ikea. Let's see if they're as good as ours. Are you ready? Where's Prince?
Oh, I'm just gonna try it.
It smells good. No. Ours is better. It's okay. The bread is hard.
No, the bread is hard.
Yeah, I said. Out of 10, what? 7. Out of 10, what?
6.
6? I'll rate it a 6 too. 6, 7.
Yeah.
Did you try our cinnamon rolls?
Try that one. What? Oh, right there.
Why do you bite?
Why are you?
You're like,
Come on, let's go.
he just like closes like.
Yours is better.
Ours is better than.
I know. I like it.
What? You won't even try it?
Last na yun.
Okay, I'll try.
Wala na tayong spasyo. Pang-esky lang.
Dami pang ano sa ilalim.
Kulog.
Why you eat it like that?
The
food critic. What do you say?
Pretty good. Not the glaze.
Yeah,
There's no glaze.
Ours is better though.
What do you rate it? 7?
Yeah.
What?
Not the glaze would be.
Like 6, 7?
Yeah, 6, 7.
Cold.
Hey. Okay, do you
No,
want
I
this
don't
one?
want that
What the
part.
heck, man?
They do not have the ones that Reese likes. Is that you still? Oh, right there, Reese.
Oh my god. Wait, we have to buy a lot. How much is it? $4. I'll buy 2. Yeah, hold it.
Oh my god. Which way are we going?
That way.
An indicator.
What is that?
You're boing boing.
What? What are you doing?
Any money? I would like some money, please. I would like some money.
Should we eat at his restaurant?
No, I don't think we should.
Why not?
$1 bucks.
I don't know.
Maybe it's worth it.
Oh, okay, then let's do it.
We'll give you extra food. You just asked.
Yeah, if
We're
you
really hungry. Please give us food.
Oh my god, what is that smell? What? What are you laughing at?
It's your upper lip.
It's my upper lip.
I don't know.
It's your armpits. Bro. I wish I was recording that.
Tom yum seafood flavor, seafood flavor.
I like it when seagulls try to fly, but they're not moving.
Who?
Like they try to fly, but they're not moving.
You asked such the most like random ass questions. What would you do if there was a bird and it was right here? Like, what do you mean? What am I gonna do?
I'll take a photo of it. Yeah, come on. Oh yeah.
You can't. There's no holes. This is not efficient.
Yeah, come on, dude.
We didn't check. Huh? We didn't check off anything off our list. That's what we're gonna do. The list that you wrote down on your iPad.
Hello? I might do it.
Right, ready?
Don't.
Well, so I can go, because obviously
You're gonna be like, excuse me, sir, do you have a membership?
Oh, we can go in there. To go get a membership. Right?
Okay.
The membership thing's in there.
Yeah, okay.
She shaped it into an elephant.
Hey, can you give me that water, please? Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
that's the last thing I remember too.
Yeah, and then I just feel wake up.
it's clean.
Hey!